yaseke iphuma kanjalo ke lencwadi Nkwanyana.
Inama page amangaki nanokuthi ke nje just go into details tiphi usitshela ukuthi ikhuluma ngani kahle lencwadi.
Bethi ke sweet and short Mr Nkwanyana, because lencwadi ina only 93 pages mfethu. It reflects on author's journey through grief mfethu, poverty, identity and healing with simply emotionally charged language mfethu. Ulunga kule ncwadi Mr Nkwanyana nabalaleli, he gives the voice to the silence left by a mother he never knew and honors the strength of a grandmother wakhe who raised him with unwavering love mfethu. Kahle it is a collection of poems which paints a vivid picture of survival and self discovery, revealing how words can become both a weapon and a refuge, from the cold nights of rural hardship to quiet victories of resilience. A colorful book Mr Nkwanyana is a testament to finding light in darkness and hope in places many would overlook. It is a celebration of growth and the inner strength it takes to rise from pain and turn it into poetry mfethu. So nje ukuka phezulu ilezo zinto Mr Nkwanyana nabalaleli lencwadi egxila kuzona.
Beautiful book. Sitshela tiphi ukuthi ubani ongayifunda noma nami mangidinga